Hello, stock and crypto investors. I hope all of you are having a fantastic day so far. And in today's video, I'm going to cover some cryptocurrencies that are showing some very serious sell signals. And so I just want to cover these. I just want you to see and know about the information ahead of time. They are showing some negative DeMark indicators. Now, DeMark has developed a system of measuring when a turning point in the market is going to happen. I find them to be very accurate on the daily chart. And so we're going to apply these to some cryptocurrencies that are showing some negative symbols. And if you are interested on when these symbols have a buy or sell recommendation and you're looking for an alert system that will alert you once one of these signals is tripped, you should check out the Patreon group that I have in the link in the description down below. If you're looking just for cryptocurrencies, it is only $7 a month. There are savings for purchasing for an entire year, but it is definitely worth it. Now let's get to these different cryptocurrencies and take a look at some of these sell indicators that are happening. Okay, so the very first one is Solana. Now, Solana is showing a very heavy sell signal, and this is as of Halloween. So this is Halloween during the day, sell signal. And so I've just left a notification to everybody that is in my Patreon group, in the different groups that I have. And this is showing some very serious, a very serious sell signal. You can see here in the past when we've seen buy signals happen, that the stock tends, or that the crypto tends to move up, and that when we see short signals, it tends to move down. Now, there's been a lot of excitement about Elon Musk being the new CEO of Twitter. This has caused and been a catalyst for a run on this particular on this and other different cryptocurrencies on how he is going to treat and use the platform and tweet about different cryptocurrencies like he has in the past. All right, let's go to the next one and let's keep going through these. Another one that showed is SHEEB, SHEEB. And you can see this has really moved, especially since Elon Musk has been announced, and we know now that he has a takeover deal. And so this has been showing some buy signals, but now the momentum is showing a shift in that the momentum may be slowing down on this. So this is another cryptocurrency that I don't have any position of SHEEB at the moment, but if I did, I would be looking to exit. All right, the next is Cardano. Cardano has been going on a nice little run here. We had a bunch of buy signals here, and it's now come to some different sell signals. So if you have any Cardano, you might think about leaving that, might think about closing that position, because in the past, when we have seen negative indicators like this, then we are looking at a downturn in the short term. And finally, Dogecoin. Now, I mine a lot of Dogecoin with some of the different crypto miners that I have. It's a hobby of mine where I mine crypto. And so I have been buying constantly. And with mining, what I will do is I am constantly buying just little tiny bits. I'm getting rewarded for supplying that machine to do the calculations. And now we've hit a short signal. So all this time I've been mining, this is a signal to me now to take profits. And so that is what I'm doing on Dogecoin. This is one of the coins that I mine, and so this is something that I look for, and a great strategy if you are a crypto miner for when to get out and when to take profits. All right, next we have Ethereum, and you can see how these indicators really work. This would have been a great time to buy on this long signal right here. And you can see how this has gone up, and now we've got a sell signal. Now it is time probably to take some profits on Ethereum. That does not mean it won't continue to move up, but looking at it right now, it is looking very volatile and like we might be at a turning point where the momentum is dying off. And last but not least, we have Bitcoin Cash. Regular Bitcoin has not alerted to a sell yet, so there's quite a few cryptocurrencies that haven't. So it's not happening all across all cryptocurrencies at the moment. But Bitcoin Cash is another one that has gotten to a short signal. This is something that some people mine. Not very many people mine this coin, but now showing those short signals, it would be time to get out, in my opinion. Hopefully you have enjoyed this video, and this gives you a little bit of an insight of some of the things that I look at. If you are interested in getting alerts on this, you don't want to watch these kind of things, then you might really consider that Patreon group, only $7 a month. I would sure love to see you there. Wish you all the best and happy trading. Raythoven out.